Introducing the LightPhone 3, a phone designed to simplify your digital life and bring you back to basics. Let's dive into what makes this device unique. The LightPhone 3 features a sleek, matte finish with a solid build quality. It's lightweight, fitting comfortably in your pocket and hand. The phone sports a 3.92-inch black and white OLED screen display, perfect for visibility in direct sunlight and designed to consume less power. The LightPhone 3 focuses on the essentials. You can make calls, send texts, set alarms, take notes, listen to music, and use the navigation feature. That's it. No social media, no endless notifications. Just what you need to stay connected without distractions. The LightPhone 3 also gains a pair of cameras, a 50-megapixel one on the back and an 8-megapixel selfie camera on the front. There's even a point-and-shoot camera-like hardware shutter button. Other features include a Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 processor, 6GB RAM, and a 128GB storage space. As for the operating system, it uses a unique version of Android called LightOS that doesn't allow installing apps. Other additions include a USB-C port, a flashlight, a fingerprint sensor, and 5G support. The LightPhone 3 still offers essential tools like navigation, so you won't get lost, and a music player to enjoy your favorite tunes. The Notes app is perfect for jotting down quick thoughts or reminders. Using the LightPhone 3 is incredibly intuitive. The interface is clean and straightforward, with no complex menus or settings. The black and white OLED display gives it a unique look and feel, unlike any other phone on the market. So, what are the advantages of the LightPhone 3? Firstly, it helps reduce screen time, making you more present and focused in your daily life. Secondly, the long battery life means you can go several days without charging, thanks to its energy-efficient display and lack of power-hungry apps. Another significant benefit is the mental clarity you gain. Without constant notifications and the temptation of social media, you can enjoy a more peaceful, distraction-free day. In terms of design, the LightPhone 3's matte finish and minimalist aesthetic make it a stylish accessory. It's durable and well-crafted, ensuring it can withstand everyday use. Priced at $399, the LightPhone 3 is an investment in simplicity and intentional living. It's not for everyone, especially if you need a fully featured smartphone, but for those seeking to reduce distractions from smartphones, it's a perfect choice. So what do you think? Drop your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. Till next time, this is TechSpecs Arena signing off.